Hi everyone, my name's Henry and welcome to Boss Content. Now there are a few reasons why that montage was so satisfying to watch. The main reason for this is what is called screen direction. Now, screen direction is essentially following the movement of the subject being filmed, but from the camera and audience's point of view. Often in films, that'll be when a character enters a room, let's say from the left-hand side of the screen, and continues to walk from the left to the right of the frame whilst the camera follows this motion. Now in this montage, I've really exaggerated the camera movement in each shot, so we get an immersive feel when we're watching it. To add to this, the whole montage follows the direction of the previous shot, and what this means is that when we're watching it, the transitions and movement of the shots feel very natural and easy as there's no abrupt editing cuts or change of direction. When you keep the movement of clips flowing in the same direction, it's actually easier for your brain to process what is happening. So let's take a look at the first half of the montage and I'll show you what I mean. The arrow on the side of the screen will indicate the current direction of the shot. So as you can see, each shot leads into the next one, following the direction of the previous clip. Now it's important to remember that it's not just the two-dimensional directions we can use, left, right, up and down. We can also take advantage of using the three-dimensional directions, forwards and backwards. So the next two shots we'll take a look at take advantage of moving through the scene using the backwards movement, but still having transition smoothly from the previous downwards moving shot. I feel like I've just overly complicated that, but hopefully you understand what I'm saying. We've now added some 3D movement to the montage, which has also created more depth to the scene. The final two shots are a little different as they are now using the up, down, left and right movements all in one go as the clips are circulating in a clockwise motion. Let's take a look. Now, the transition from the backwards moving shot to the clip of the volume dial being turned up actually contradicts what I've been saying, as the direction goes from backwards to circulating without a smooth transition. But that's because the direction of the backwards moving shot is so slow. It doesn't feel abrupt when cutting to the shot of the dial. It actually makes it quite exciting going from slow to fast pace. So in this scenario, it actually works fine, but it's still best to stick to the rule of screen direction when possible. The other thing I'll mention is the length of each clip. The longest shot in this video is only 4 seconds. Because we're creating a fast paced and engaging montage, the individual shots need to be short to keep the attention of the viewer, as well as fitting in with the style of the video. This combined with sound effects and upbeat music create a short but engaging montage. I hope you've enjoyed watching, and also the music used in this sequence was actually produced by my mate Ben, who is a music producer and goes by the name Zuros. I've dropped the link to his Instagram in the description below, so go and check it out. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.